Alright, so this is a live update video specifically for YouTube now, and I'm doing a timing cover on this 3800. I had to provide an update because I haven't posted on there. I've been posting on Odyssey because I like Odyssey, but this is the most current video that I have on my channel right now, and this is what I'm dealing with. Woodruff key in hand. Couldn't find any video on YouTube talking about this engine and removing the Woodruff key. Timing chain cover gaskets are known to go bad on 3800 Series 3 engines, so I will be covering that. But this is where I'm at currently right now. But the thing is with YouTube, what I don't like about YouTube is that once you post a video, and I already made that clear on my previous 2 videos, that once you post on YouTube, you cannot change the date. It's very static. And on Odyssey, you can change everything. That's what I like about Odyssey. So that's why I've been spending months. I haven't been on it consistently. I've been spending months going in and off. But I can adjust things. Like some of the videos, like if I post this video on YouTube right now, which I will do, it's going to show that it was posted today, which is true. But I got a bunch of videos before that I had to organize and get everything, because I had a lot of footage that it just takes a lot of time to edit, learn the software and different stuff and how you want to do it. And I'll post it, and I don't want my audience thinking that it's more recent than what it is. I got like 13 or 14 months of videos to post, but this video will be going up today. I don't care. But that's the channel status right now. But this is what I'm dealing with. But yeah, I got my old timing chain off. I'm gonna put a new timing chain on there and dampener. And yeah. And the reason I even got to this in the first place is because I didn't put the harmonic balancer on the right, which I did. I've done it before. It's just like, you know, when it comes to working on cars and stuff, guys, you got to realize, like, I'm gonna be honest, I don't like working on cars. I like cars, but I don't like working on cars, right? Why? Because the inconvenience that it brings. Like right now, it's like 28 degrees going up into the 30s right now. You see what I'm saying? So when working on cars is something you would like to do recreational on your own time, not like mandatory in order to operate in life. So during that day, you know, and I did this operation throughout days. It wasn't, you know, it wasn't like I did it in one shot. I probably should have, and it was warmer too, but I just was not in the mood. And I forced myself to go out there and look at the harmonic balancer now. There's a divot. You see how it's supposed to go? Well, the Woodruff key, this is a good way to explain it now. So the Woodruff key connect to the crankshaft is supposed to go into that slot, pretty much like that. Well, I, not paying attention, put it on wrong, and it was on there. You can see the divot, and it ended up pushing this down on the crankshaft. It tilted it off to the point where it wasn't connected enough on the sprocket to where it could potentially slip. So that's where I'm at right now currently. That's the channel update. But again, guys, I will be updating. The channel will be posting more consistently, and I'm probably going to end up doing something different, where all the stuff that I have on Odyssey, I'm not going to just put it on YouTube. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking most of the stuff I have on Odyssey, like I said, I'm just going to leave it on there. And the things that I feel like would get the most attention, you know, people got short attention spans, or something that's worth watching, I'll put on YouTube and just leave it like that. Because like I said, I like Odyssey too much. And it's not about the views. It's really not. But again, you want to maximize your efficiency, you know. So, but again, that's the channel update. And I try to put a detailed video on how to do this, because I could not find any video anywhere on YouTube on how to remove the Woodruff key. There was a video for the Buick Sabre that shows you how to remove the harmonic balancer and put a new one. And the guy was like, you can remove the Woodruff key. He really shortcutted it. He did it was a great video, but you can't just remove the Woodruff key with this tool here. You actually have to take the sprocket off and the timing chain off in order to access it, to take it off. And that's if you damage it. So stay tuned. Appreciate y'all keeping up.